Hello, champs. Welcome to Little Champs World. Let's learn, play, and explore together.
1. I play cricket. I play cricket. 2. This is a bus. This is a bus. 3. I like apples. I like apples. 4. She is my friend. She is my friend. 5. We are happy. We are happy. 6. He runs fast. He runs fast. 7. I love my mom. I love my mom. 8. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. 9. This is my book. This is my book. 10. I can jump. I can jump. 11. The cat is cute. The cat is cute. 12. I drink milk. I drink milk. 13. We play football. We play football. 14. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. 15. I have a pen. I have a pen. 16. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. 17. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. 18. She sings well. She sings well. 19. I see a dog. I see a dog. 20. We go to school. We go to school. 21. He eats rice. He eats rice. 22. I read a book. I read a book. 23. The car is red. The car is red. 24. I have a bike. I have a bike. 25. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. 26. I like my teacher. I like my teacher. 27. This is a table. This is a table. 28. I write with a pencil. I write with a pencil. 29. The flower is pink. The flower is pink. 30. I see the moon. I see the moon. 31. We eat lunch. We eat lunch. 32. She has a doll. She has a doll. 33. I like mangoes. I like mangoes. 34. The dog is big. The dog is big. 35. I listen to music. I listen to music. 36. We sit on chairs. We sit on chairs. 37. He has a toy. He has a toy. 38. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. 39. This is my room. This is my room. 40. The bird is small. The bird is small. 41. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. 42. We ride a bus. We ride a bus. 43. She likes toys. She likes toys. 44. I open the door. I open the door. 45. The fish swims fast. The fish swims fast. 46. I like reading. I like reading. 47. We play together. We play together. 48. He is my brother. He is my brother. 49. I touch the ball. I touch the ball. 50. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. 51. I see the stars. I see the stars. 52. We eat fruit. We eat fruit. 53. She drinks water. She drinks water. 54. I like running. I like running. 55. The boy is smiling. The boy is smiling. 56. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. 57. We jump high. We jump high. 58. He is reading. He is reading. 59. I clean my room. I clean my room. 60. The girl is happy. The girl is happy. 61. I clap my hands. I clap my hands. 62. We play in the park. We play in the park. 63. She is drawing. She is drawing. 64. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. 65. The ice is cold. The ice is cold. 66. I wear shoes. I wear shoes. 67. We watch TV. We watch TV. 68. He is laughing. He is laughing. 69. I eat a banana. I eat a banana. 70. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. 71. I open my book. I open my book. 72. We sing songs. We sing songs. 73. She likes cats. She likes cats. 74. I draw a star. I draw a star. 75. The water is warm. The water is warm. 76. I like my school. I like my school. 77. We share toys. We share toys. 78. He plays piano. He plays piano. 79. I hold the cup. I hold the cup. 80. The room is clean. The room is clean. 81. I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. 82. We plant trees. We plant trees. 83. She is kind. She is kind. 84. I see a rainbow. I see a rainbow. 85. The pillow is soft. The pillow is soft. 86. I play with blocks. I play with blocks. 87. We read stories. We read stories. 88. He rides a bike. He rides a bike. 89. I like cartoons. I like cartoons. 90. The milk is white. The milk is white. 91. I wash my face. I wash my face. 92. We talk to friends. We talk to friends. 93. She picks flowers. She picks flowers. 94. I jump rope. I jump rope. 95. The box is big. The box is big. 96. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. 97. We make crafts. We make crafts. 98. He draws a car. He draws a car. 99. I love my dad. I love my dad. 100. The apple is red. The apple is red.
Great job, champs! Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!